Hi, welcome to MindStaq. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at the Insights feature, part 3 of the Scorecard app, which empowers teams to make informed decisions and elevate project management. The Insights section within Scorecard offers a comprehensive overview of your projects, tasks, and team performance. It brings together essential data and easy-to-read dashboards, allowing you to spot potential issues, manage resources efficiently, and keep your projects on track. Now let's dive into it and walk through the key components of Insights. To get to Insights, click on the scorecard icon in the side navigation. By default, you're going to land on the Program tab at the top. Click on Insights to get to the Insights section of Scorecard. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice a variety of different analytic views available to explore. Let's begin by selecting the Program Objective Tracker at the top. This provides a strategic overview of how your programs are performing against defined objectives and key results. This feature helps you maintain strategic alignment and track progress at the highest organizational level. Now you'll notice once we select the Program Objective Tracker from the left, we don't see any programs selected over here on our right-hand side. So that's because we need to drill down and select a specific program that we want to view analytics on. So in this case, let's select the drop-down. Let's select one of our programs. Once you select the program, we need to drill down into a specific objective that we want to see some insights on. So let's, in this case, select the drop down here and select the second one from the list. Now that we have a program and objective selected, now you can see the overall program objective tracker displays all of your programs with key information, including the executive sponsor, the program manager, the start and due dates, and the overall progress for this objective we have selected up top here. Now, if we want to see a different objective, it's simple, come up here and select a different objective from this drop-down, and you can see our tracker information is changing. So let's go back to the one we initially selected, and you'll see here, other than this top-level information, below it gives you the program description, the objective that we have selected, and then the key results and their progress for those exact objectives. Now, below here, we have a projects list. This shows you all the projects that are linked up to this exact objective. Now, another cool thing of the Program Objective Tracker is you can drill down into the actual project and see some status indicators that update in real time as your teams make progress. This helps you quickly spot what's on track, what's behind, and what needs attention. So to do that, you'll see up at the top we have our filters bar and we have a projects filter. Now, if we select a specific project for these objectives, you'll see down below here we have to get some additional information on that specific project. Okay, so you can see here this shows you the overall project completion percentage at the top, and then it gives you some status indicators on how we're doing with the project, such as accomplishments, overdue tasks, upcoming tasks, issues, blockers, and risks. Now each one of these are clickable, and when you click on them, it brings you to that exact section of these status indicators, so you can see what's going on in the project, get real-time updates from your team, and easily see what's on track, what's delaying this project, and what bottlenecks you're going to run into for the specific project. So it's cool. So if you come up here and click on the upcoming tasks, if you click on this, it'll bring you right to that section for this project. So this shows you all the upcoming and in progress tasks for this specific project. It gives it by list with the owner, the priority, start, due dates, and the overall status for those tasks. Now, if you scroll back up, you can do the same for overdue tasks. You can see all the overdue tasks for this project by task name, the owner, priority, start, due, and status of those specific tasks. So overall, this gives you a high-level overview of your specific programs and the objectives you're tracking within those programs. Next, let's explore the Project Health and Progress dashboard. This feature provides a comprehensive view of the project performance, task status, and issue resolution. To get there, click on Project Health and Progress under the Data Insights column on the left. As you can see, this dashboard displays all of your projects in a single view. Each project card shows the project name, the overall completion percentage, the total number of issues, risks, and blockers, and then our number of overdue and stale tasks. This at-a-glance information helps you quickly identify which projects need attention. The Project Health dashboard also allows you to filter projects by tags and select specific time periods such as quarterly or yearly. This customization ensures you're seeing the most relevant data for your needs. So to get there, let's turn on the Show Details button at the top here. And then before we select a filter at the top for quarters, let's apply a project tag to see the projects all associated with the tag. So you can either click the down button on your keyboard, and you can see all the different project tags. Or if you know the project tag, you can just type it in at the top. So let's type Azure. And this will show us all of our projects with the Azure-AI tag. You can also apply another tag to this to see all the projects with both of these tags by doing so by selecting that second tag at the top here. Now to the left, this is where you'll apply your quarterly filters to see what projects appear in which quarter. You can select Q1, Q2, Q3, and or Q4. Now there's one last item I wanted to show you around filtering on this dashboard. So that's called our custom data filtering option, and that's back on our summary panel here. So custom data allows you to add and manage custom attributes for your project, enabling you to capture project-specific information beyond your standard fields. So back on the summary tab of the Project Health and Progress dashboard, you'll see at the top a Show Custom Data checkbox. If you check this, you'll see the custom data column will appear at the end of each of your projects here with your attributes that you've specified for that project and that custom data. Now let's look at the Project Status Review dashboard, which provides an in-depth analysis of individual project performance and health. To get there, click on Project Status Review underneath the Data Insights column on the left. Once we're here, we need to select the project from the drop-down in order to see the project's performance and health. So let's select the project we want. And here, you can see this dashboard offers a comprehensive breakdown of a project's current state. You can see the overall completion percentage, which gives you a quick understanding of how much of the project has been completed. Below the progress indicator, you'll find key metrics including accomplishments, overdue tasks, upcoming tasks, issues, blockers, and risks. These metrics help you quickly identify areas that need attention, and it also makes it easy to drill down into those specific problems and assign resources for resolutions. Now, if you click on one of these metrics, it'll bring you right to that section in the project and show you all of your accomplishments since we just clicked on that. Now, if we want to see the number of issues for this project and what those are, come back up top to the metrics and click on issues. And this will show you the 2 issues for the projects. It shows you the title, owner, reviewer, priority, start and end dates, and then the current status of those. Next, let's explore the Team Task Tracker, which is part of the Resource Allocation Insights. To get there, under Data Insights, select Team Task Tracker. The Team Task Tracker shows active tasks or tasks that are due in the last week from all projects. By default, the system displays tasks that are active or due last week. Tasks are also well organized in tables that show key information like the task title, the owner, priority, start and due dates, and then the overall task status. Now you can also drill down and filter out these tables even more by using the filters at the top here. Now, I like this feature because you can filter down by your task owner to see specific tasks that your team is working on by owner. So in this case, let's select Jamal Lee and see all the tasks that Jamal Lee has assigned and what's going on with them. You can see over here all the task name, who the owner is, which we just selected, which was Jamal, the priority of those tasks, the start and due dates, and then the overall status for our tasks. Now finally, the Team Task Tracker provides additional functionality with an export option that allows you to download the current view as a CSV file for reporting purposes. So to do that, you'll see the export button up here at the top. Click that and you can download a CSV. And this will download a CSV to your computer and it will have this exact view that you're looking at. Now let's look at the weekly tasks by team member dashboard. Here you'll find the weekly tasks by team member view, which provides a focused look at the task distribution across your team for the current week. This view organizes tasks by team member, making it easy to see who is working on what during the current week. This helps managers balance workloads and ensure the tasks are distributed equally. Now, you can search by different task owners by clicking their name in the drop-down at the top. For each team member, you can see the tasks that are assigned to them, along with details like the project name, start date, due dates, the priority of the task, and the current status of that task. This level of detail helps in identifying potential bottlenecks and underutilization of resources. This view is particularly useful for weekly planning meetings where team leads can review the upcoming workload and make adjustments as needed to ensure that all team members have a manageable and balanced schedule. Complementing the weekly task view is the upcoming tasks by team member, which provides visibility into the tasks that are scheduled in the near future. The upcoming tasks by team member view shows tasks that are scheduled for the upcoming periods, helping teams plan ahead, ensure that future workloads are properly balanced. This view allows managers to see which team members will be working on in the upcoming days or weeks, making it easy to anticipate resource needs and potential scheduling conflicts. By having visibility into upcoming tasks, teams can proactively address potential issues before they can become critical, ensuring that projects stay on track and deadlines are met. Now let's take a look at the Team Issue Tracker, which helps teams monitor and resolve issues that might impact project progress. So under Data Insights, click on Team Issue Tracker. Here, it's going to show any of your issues that are active or due today. At this point, we don't have any issues that are active or due today. So I'm going to filter just to show you what this view looks like and filter to last month because I know we have issues from last month here. So once I use that filter, you can see here all the different issues for all my different projects throughout MindStaq here. The Team Issue Tracker provides a centralized view of all active issues across projects. Each issue is displayed with details such as the issue title, the owner, who the reviewer is, the type of issue, the priority, start, due dates, and the overall status for that issue. The Team Issue Tracker also allows filtering by time frames, such as today, this week, or this month, which I just showed. And then this time-based filtering helps teams focus on the most urgent issues, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Finally, let's explore the last dashboard Insight has to offer, which is the Team Utilization Review dashboard. This dashboard provides insights into how team members are allocated across different projects and tasks. You can see here, it shows each team member's workload across different projects. For each team member, you can see the projects they're assigned to, the tasks that are due this week, next week, their overdue tasks, and any issues that are assigned to them. Now, if you scroll down, you can see these are all of your team members that have tasks and or issues assigned to them. This comprehensive view helps managers understand workload distribution and identify potential bottlenecks or underutilization of resources. It enables better planning and balancing of work across the team. And just like all the other dashboards, there's an export button allowing you to export the data to CSV for further analysis or reporting purposes. That brings us to the end of MindStaq's Insights feature. Thank you for exploring this feature with us today. We encourage you to dive deeper into each component and discover how they can help your team achieve greater efficiency and success. For more information and detailed guidance, please refer to our Help Center articles. You can find those articles by clicking on the Help icon in the bottom left-hand corner of the side navigation in MindStaq. Thank you, everyone, and have a fantastic day.